Now, that's what Trump is trying to build. And if you look Trump, the way Trump is going, Trump, it looks like he's a tool in the hand of God. He looks like a Moses now in the hand of God to redeem the image of America. That the passport is reality. This is what I say I believe in reality. And they cannot come stronger without having a nation. After for good 3 years, we have a nation. Ojukwu have a nation. We stand on Biafra, but our passport is not recognized. Our money is not recognized.
But
now, Nigeria is still within you. You are within Nigeria. I am Nigerian now. Can I use Biafran passport to travel?
But some people said 50 million have voted, you know, for the sovereignty of Biafra. Say 50 million.
50 million. Yes, I voted for the sovereignty of Biafra to announce. Listen, for the sovereignty of Biafra to announce restoration of Biafra. Now, the restoration of Biafra have been announced. Now, it remains for us to defend Biafra. You cannot restore Biafra without defending Biafra. Let us defend Biafra first. Let them get Biafra first before you talk of passport. Is it once we get Biafra, can travel? Is it when they get Biafra, they can travel out of Biafra? Now, we are still in Nigeria. Biafra is, let us say the truth, whether we like it or not. Biafrans are still in Biafra, but out of their own wish. That's another thing. Out of their own wish. Biafrans are using Nigerian passport. Biafrans are using Nigerian currency. Biafrans are using Nigerian light, if there's light. Biafrans are still using Nigerian bank. Then how do you have the passport? Where are you going to renew it? Forget about this one. They're saying, you have to set up Biafra. Listen. What the whole world to know now is Biafran government in exile. See what are recognized. I am Mr. Paradeni Okokonden in this Republic of Biafra. Liba Mazen Namdekano, Simon Ekpa, Biafran government in exile, and other good indigenous people of Biafra. I'm giving thanks to God Almighty how we keep our fans all over the world alive, blessing them. Both the one that hate me and the one that love me, all of us are alive. Glory be to God. Both the one that hate Biafra and the one that love Biafra, all of us are alive. Glory be to God Almighty. Because He's a merciful God. May name be glorified in Jesus' name. Now, if you look at the international passport for Biafra, which MBTV is talking about, that's where I hope other people seen it talking about. But now coming to the international passport, as I said, I don't believe in rumor. I don't believe social media propaganda. I believe in reality. You understand? During the time of Ojukwu, we have a Biafran passport, but the DSL. Overseas came and made the Biafran passport, the DSL. Now, I'm going to come and show it in picture. I'm not going to say BM TV, MBTV have tell us now. That's what Arabes have done. They have showcased it. Have you come to reality? How many people have it? Where can we tender it? Can you travel with a passport? You don't have airport. You don't have men on the ground. The ground you are going to travel and return, you have not defended it. Nigerians are still occupying Biafra land. Then you are making passports. So therefore, passport, if you travel from America to Finland, from Finland to Jamaica, from Jamaica to India, from India, when you come back home one day, where the home you are coming from? Where is the home you are coming to? Where is the home you are coming to? I'm not against the international passport, but let it be reality. Let it not to be propaganda on the TV. Social media propaganda. Because I have watched Ngozi Arabese several times. She said that we have entered into agreement with Burkina Faso. Where is that agreement up to today? Even the project Burkina Faso has, what Burkina Faso are mentioned is Nigeria, not Biafra. Because that's a very big giant now. Captain Ibrahim Traore are planning for Africa, which will have so many branches all over Africa. Common something Africa, which Nigeria is part of it. Mention Nigeria. Did he mention Biafra? Now we have that Russia are training 300,000 of Biafran soldiers from the same COS. Where are they? We have that she have recruited the Biafran army to fight for defend Biafran land. Where are they? All this is a propaganda. I'm not saying that whosoever can carry out anything cannot carry it. What I need is Biafra, but not Islamic Republic of Biafra. Understand me? There's a difference you get to Biafra, and there's a difference of Republic, Islamic Republic of Biafra.
Is anybody wanting to? Are there plans to actualize Islamic Republic of Biafra? Are there plans?
Let's watch and see. This is why I say Ogenkere is on the right side, according to my own understanding, not according to anybody's understanding. You have right. Yeah, you have right to support Ogenkere. You have right to support Ngozi Otabeze. All I need, whether Ngozi Otabeze, whether Ogenkere, let there be Biafra, but not Islamic Republic of Biafra. We are running away, not to be Islamatized. Then you are dragging people to Islam because you want to get to Biafra. If you get to, what will it be? How can you use Islamic Bank to fund Biafran struggling? Well, Biafrans are running away, not to be Islamatized, and you want to use Islamic Bank to fund Biafra. Are we not getting Islamic Republic of Biafra at the end? If it happens so, it will be Islamic Republic of Biafra at the end.
They will give you options.
They should give you option. MS will start having mouth. Corrupt politician in Nigeria will still come back to Biafra and have mouth to dictate, which is what they are running for. Biafrans are running away from it. So I'm not against Ngozi Otabeze, but let the right thing be done in the right way, so that at the end our future will still not crying under Biafra, crying the cry in Nigeria. Let Ogenkere do the right thing, so that at the end Biafra will not still cry under Biafra as they are crying under Nigeria now. So let us take our teeth. Let us take our tongue to count our teeth. We will know how many teeth we have. Not another person to come and count our teeth for us. We own our teeth, and our tongue is in our mouth, covered by the teeth. Let us use our tongue to count our teeth. We know how many teeth we have, whether it's up to 32 or less than 32 or above 32. If our teeth is above 32, then the person that has a teeth above 32 has become a vampire, sucking the blood. And the person his teeth is below 32 is yet to mature to be a man or a woman. And the person that his teeth, or her teeth is a complete 32 is a mature person. They can do what a reasonable people can do. Now, if you come into American passport, Nigerian passport, you can see that Donald Trump is out, totally out, to do anything that will make America to be good. To do anything, no matter the name you call him, no matter whatever you say, he don't care. What is come out to do the right thing will make America to be good. We make America to bounce back. We make fear of God to return in America, because America have lost the fear of God. Now, that's what Trump is trying to build. And if you look Trump, the way Trump is going, Trump, it looks like he's a tool in the hand of God. He looks like a Moses now in the hand of God to redeem the image of America, which Democrats have tarnished. Okay, look at it. Anytime Democrats were in power, America will enter one problem or the other. This led American former president Jimmy Carter, when he was in power in 78 or so, America went operation rescue American people in Iran. America fell woefully. Iran captured the whole American soldiers that went for rescue team, seized them, seized their place, seized their weapon, because of issue of Shah of Iran. That one bring a very shameful criticism to America. It tarnished American image, bring it down. Before Ronald Reagan entered and took over, and to punish Iran, rebuild the image of America. Now, look at it. American bombing, or some London bombing American World Trade Center. Bush the Jr. was in power, Republican. They took it up and make sure they follow bomber to bomber. Finally, Obama took over. The only achievement Obama do was to kill Osama bin Laden. When he did it, I said to myself, this man, Obama did this thing to have praise, to have support from America, but he do worse, more than the good he's doing. Obama sold America out to immigrants, to terrorists, to everything, to gay, lesbian. Look at, he said that he came from Kenya. He's Kenya descendant. What did Obama do to Kenya? What good thing he did to Kenya? What good presentation he gave to Kenya? That giving them condom and mosquito net. That's what Obama give to Kenya. Condom and mosquito net. That's what Obama can do to Kenya, that he says is where his father came from, where he belonged to. And you call him African man, a black man.
But we saw Trump accusing as the founder
of Boko Haram.
This crap and this same as Clinton.
Now, America, through Obama, they deceived America to vote Trump out on 2020 election. Then go to fold the hand and allow Democrats to punish Americans. Use American tax money for nonsense. Who tax Americans are paying? All their labor. Obama support Biden to use that money for nonsense. Then they build Taliban up, took the whole weapon America sent there for 20 years and leave it to the hand of Taliban. Taliban become one of the strongest military might now in the world. This is a Democrat. Now, Republicans have come back. God put Donald Trump back again. So just look at the campaign of Donald Trump, how they might want to assassinate him. God bring him back again. To do what? To reshuffle America, to rebuild America, to bring the God fear back to America. Look at, in America, you cannot do morning prayer in school. You cannot teach Bible in the school. But now, all those things are coming back. Now, this passport, now, America, they will do it that it will be very hard. It will be very hard for somebody to enter America or for America to leave America. Then all your investment will be in America. Look, remember Donald Trump is shouting, American investment outside, bring it back home. Let the people have employment. You are seeing it. So this passport that Donald Trump introduced to America, I think that's the best option to minimize immigrants rushing to America. Like African nations, they will not develop their place, but they have money to go to America, buy plot of land, buy farmland, buy this, develop India. Why can't you develop your place? Look at Burkina Faso. Look at what Torora is doing there. Building house for people, low house for common people, enter into mechanized farm, start building railway, start building road, doing everything in Burkina Faso for how many years now? But look at Nigeria. From 1960 up to now, Nigeria is still crawling. Nigeria is still crawling. Look at Cameroon. Cameroon have one of the best hospitals in the world, but not in Cameroon, in France, owned by Paul Biya. Why can't he invest? Okay, you lose the money. I agree. Fine. Take it to set companies in Nigeria. Take it to set companies in Africa. Employ people. Fine. You lose the money, but invest it in Nigeria. Invest it in any African country. Invest in their own country so that there will be employment. People will not suffer. This is one of the things I'm looking for Tinubu to do. I don't care. The only problem Tinubu have in Nigeria today, which will make me, when he raise that up, if he not do it well, I will tell him that it will, is detention of Nnamdi Kanu. That's the only thing I know that Tinubu is doing in Nigeria that is not good. Because, and that I'm still advising Mr. President Tinubu not to allow the mistake of the past administration to be on him. Because Nnamdi Kanu and Biafrans, God is coming to fight for them. I'm telling you honestly. Whether there's a parallel government between Ogenkere and Ngozi Arabeze, that one doesn't concern God. That is a woman affairs. One day they will settle. I'm telling you honestly, one day Ngozi Arabeze and Ogenkere and their group will settle one day. But I am telling the government of Nigeria, Mr. Tinubu, that God is coming to fight for Nnamdi Kanu and Nigeria. And this case doesn't concern Tinubu. Tinubu should wash his hand off and release Nnamdi Kanu. After releasing Nnamdi Kanu, they can enter negotiation whether Biafra will go or Biafra will stay.
Okay, so let me just ask this lastly because of time. If the actualization of the passport becomes strong, do you think this will make do you think that this will make Biafran sovereignty more stronger?
I don't think that the passport is reality. This is what I believe in reality. And they cannot come stronger without having a nation. After for good 3 years, we have a nation. Ojukwu have a nation. We stand on Biafra, but our passport is not recognized. Our money is not recognized.
But
Now, Nigeria is still within you. You are within Nigeria. I am Nigerian now. Can I use Biafran passport to travel?
But some people said 50 million have voted, you know, for the sovereignty of Biafra. Say 50 million.
50 million. Yes, I voted for the sovereignty of Biafra to announce. Listen, for the sovereignty of Biafra to announce restoration of Biafra. Now, the restoration of Biafra have been announced. Now, it remains for us to defend Biafra. You cannot restore Biafra without defending Biafra. Let us defend Biafra first. Let them get Biafra first before you talk of passport. Is it once we get Biafra, can travel? Is it when they get Biafra, they can travel out of Biafra? Now, we are still in Nigeria. Biafra is, let us say the truth, whether we like it or not. Biafrans are still in Biafra, but out of their own wish. That's another thing. Out of their own wish. Biafrans are using Nigerian passport. Biafrans are using Nigerian currency. Biafrans are using Nigerian light, if there's light. Biafrans are still using Nigerian bank. Then how do you have the passport? Where are you going to renew it? Forget about this one. They're saying, you have to set up Biafra. Listen, what the whole world to know now is Biafran government in exile, see what are recognized. I'm telling you honestly, forget about the propaganda. Because it was Biafran government in exile, we still build the United States of Biafra. Biafran government in exile are the parents of the United States of Biafra, which United States of Biafra is under nursing, make breastfeeding. Then somebody say it can run. It can jump over the wall. It can fly to the sky. We are still under breastfeeding. The United States of Biafra is under breastfeeding. Then how can he be flying? Because passport means that it can fly. That's what means a passport. You can travel out. On what airport? On what seaport? What border you see to travel out? You see? And coming to the issue of Donald Trump mocking Nigeria passport indirectly or directly is reality. Even the people that Donald Trump deported and Nigerians is deported, immigrants is deported and Nigerians, most of them are using Ghanaian passport. You cannot go to any world now, tender Nigerian passport, they look you 2 times as a man of fraud. I'm telling you honestly, it's weak. And they take it as a passport of a fraud nation. But before, let me tell you, before, even Ghanaians, other countries come to Nigeria to have Nigerian passport to travel. But overnight, things change. What happened? What went wrong? From where did wrong come? Our government should give us example. This thing, it does not start from Tinubu regime, but let us say the reality. This fake passport or insult of passport did not start from the Tinubu regime. Tinubu just inherited it. Let us say the fact. When Tinubu is right, I will tell that it's right, to my own understanding. And when it's wrong, I will tell that when it's wrong, I will tell that it's wrong. As I'm saying that it's wrong now, but detaining Nnamdi Kanu. That's the only mistake he's doing. I'm telling you honestly, if Tinubu release Nnamdi Kanu today, and there's a negotiation that Biafra will go, still Biafra will remain in Nigeria for another 4 years or 3 years to finalize with Nigeria. It's not the thing that you can rush overnight and go. You understand? And as things are going now, the arms going on in Biafra land is what I hate. Going on in Biafra land is what I hate. Nigerians are dying. The Biafrans are dying. Call them Biafra Liberation Army, Biafra Resistance Force. They are dying, and Nigerians are dying. Schools are bombing, markets are bombing. People cannot sleep. People cannot eat. It's too bad. Let Mr. President call things to order and let there be round table negotiation. Release Nnamdi Kanu. Let there be round table negotiation. Even as I said, if Nnamdi Kanu come out now, finally, if Biafra is going, there will still have cooperation to cooperate with Nigeria for good 4 years. Nigeria will still tap in Biafra economy to do what? Have some percentage in it to pay the civil servant that Biafra that serve them. And to settle some certain issue, there will be a round table discussion of sharing assets. You pay the debt, the one you accommodate, Nigeria pay the one accommodate, they share the this thing. Anything peaceful is far better than in riot and killing, which I don't believe in shedding of blood. And if you watch COS is who? And if you watch how the man is analyzing the thing, he said not of people who are gossipers, people who are portraying the video, people who are against Biafra, people who don't want Biafra to progress. Who are those people? Ogenkere and his men. That is speaking indirectly to them. But I don't believe in propaganda. I personally, I don't believe in propaganda. I believe in reality. You understand? Whether Ogenkere is on the good side, whether Ngozi Orebeze is at the good side, all I know, 2 of them are running parallel governments in Biafra, which is not supposed to be. Elias, Biafran lobbies, call Ngozi Orebeze and told him what you are doing is so good. You are running a parallel government. Ngozi Orebeze tagged him criminal. He suspended his sack. That one belonged to 2 of them. Now, this man again, MBTV, speaking indirectly against Ogenkere. Whom are we to follow? Whom do we believe? We common Biafrans. You see the confusion there. And to me, personally, I believe that Ogenkere is on the right side. I believe so. Personally, as a human being, as an individual, as my own opinion, I believe that Ogenkere is on the right side because all the whole foundation Ogenkere is still using was foundation Sam Anepa have led. All the whole lobbies, even men on the ground, all of them were people Sam Anepa have bring. And most of them, Ngozi Orebeze have called them criminal. If Ngozi Orebeze called them criminal, which means someone Epa himself is a criminal because he employed criminal to work with him. And which Ngozi Orebeze have been speaking that most of them are criminals. Now, whom are we to follow? But these people, Ogenkere said they are right. They are not criminal. And you watch them, they still continue the activities. The countries like US, they are going to lobby for us. Never call those people criminal.